Hey, this is Moiz and I'm co-founder of ActiveCalculator. Today I'm very excited to tell you about our new feature which lets you create your first draft within seconds. So let me give you a quick tour around on how to use that feature. So first of all, you have to log into your account, then go on to create calculator, then create with AI. Here you will be asked to what sort of calculator you wanted to create. So let's say if you want to create balloon payment calculator, you can be as general as you want and you can be as specific as you want. I would suggest you give it a bit more detail about your inputs and outputs and tell what sort of calculator it is. So for example, we want a balloon payment calculator that asks for mortgage amount, terms in year, and interest rate. I can also go in detail and tell it a little bit about my input types. Let's say I want the mortgage amount to be ranged slider instead of a number, so I can do that here, and what sort of output I want. So I think we are a bit clear here, so let me just hit generate, and it will just take few seconds and it will generate your first draft for you. So once you have your draft ready, you can just go in, and if you want to change themes, you can do that here. So let's say I can change themes here. If I want to change some input, some labels, I can do that here. I would just go in and publish this calculator, and we'll just see how this is looking. And this is looking really nice. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.